And we're at the INTERFACEXpo 2021.
Hello.
Where did you get the name Interface?
That's a good question. Now, the reason I did interface was because it's sort of technical, like you have an interface like a screen interface or something like that. It's also that linkage between people. So that's how we came up with interface, technical and social.
How did you like Interface when it first showed up?
How did I like it? You mean, what did I think of it?
Yeah.
That was great. Well, we set it up to link teachers with companies that do digital technology.
My product. So I'm David, I'm from Activision, and these are our interactive panels, and this is our flagship model, the Promethean Titanium, and it's all about interactivity.
How does your product affect students at school?
Well, the main aim of an interactive panel is to get engagement, and it's not just about engagement for the kids, it's also engagement for the teachers. So the interactive panel allows full engagement, and it doesn't matter whether, I've got a little microphone here too, and it doesn't matter whether the teacher's educating from the panel, or she could be sitting at the back of the class, or he could be sitting at the back of the class. The great thing about interactive panels is everything's on there for you.
What's your product?
I work for Microsoft, and today we're talking to teachers and principals about Minecraft for education and also our Surface devices.
What inspired you to create this product?
So Surface is really a product that's designed for many different users, and it really is designed around how you want to use your PC. So it is we have both laptops and also tablets.